Private jets and imported caviar to designer cigarettes and private restaurants, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has got it all. But while the 36-year-old leader lives in a life of extravagant luxury, the majority of the population are struggling to survive. Today I'm going to tell you about some shocking disparities between North Korean dictator's luxury life and his people, from food to entertainment. Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Amazing Life. Here I am again with a new video for you. But before watching the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Let's start. First, Kim buys expensive gift for his wife. It is believed that Kim has been married to Ri Sol Ju since 2009 and has been known to spend state funds for buying her precious gifts like most expensive Christian Dior handbag or to luxury cars and jewelries to expensive clothes, etc. As well as gift for his wife, it has been reported that Kim Jong-un spends $3.5 million means 27 crore Indian rupees on only lingeries for his pleasure squad annually. Importing suspenders and corsets from China, Kim kitted out wives and girlfriends of his elite, as well as his secret group of hand-picked women known as Pleasure Squad. It's not only his wife Ri that enjoys the generous presents that Kim gives. Apparently, it pays off to be on the good side of the leader, with 160 of his high-ranking officials all receiving top-of-the-line Mercedes-Benz sedan bags in 2012, and many generous gifts that are likely to have cost him a hefty $12 million that he do to please all employees, those helping maintaining his dictatorship. He has his own private luxury cinema. Of course, somebody who spends this much money on gifts doesn't just settle for a couch and TV to enjoy his massive film collection. He has his very own private luxury cinema that has a 1,000 seated capacity and is likely to have cost of $2 million. While rest of the population are bare from the capital, the vast majority of population are next to nothing and have no special ration privileges. Many people bribe officials so they can moonlight in their spare time, mostly earn barely $10 to $40 a month on average, which is still barely enough to survive. Most North Koreans fall into one of three disadvantaged social status or lower caste, which range from basic and complex to the ominous hostile. These people are banned from living in the capital and receiving no special privileges such as additional ration or cell phone permits. Kim buys imported food and liquor. Kim spares no expense when it comes to his diet. He has been known to order in top quality pork from Denmark, caviar delivery from Iran, Chinese melon and sticks of Kobe beef, a Chinese delicacy. He even managed to spend a whopping $1 million means 7.6 crore on Brazilian coffee alone in 2018. While the exact figure he spends on feeding himself and his inner circle, the best cuisine in the world, is not known, but the sum is estimated to be in millions. His taste in alcohol is also unique. While local alcohol is cheap and readily available, but it clearly isn't Kim's taste. Instead, he reportedly spends thousands of dollars each year on importing liquor into the country for his elite circle. For example, he spends $1,000 on German wine, $33,000 on American spirits, etc. While his people have barely enough to eat. Meanwhile, the rest of the population get by the extremely meager ration. In August 2015, for example, the daily allowance per person was just 250 grams of cereals, which is less than half of the UN's FAO recommendation for ration. Protein, apart from the occasional piece of dried fish and squid, mostly food items are in very short supply and most people are either chronically undernourished or malnourished. Kim has created a longevity institute of 130 doctors to keep him healthy. According to defector Hin Yong-so Kim Jong-un has established a longevity institute of 130 doctors to keep him fit and fine. The leader is known for his unhealthy lifestyle, indulging in a rich diet and smoking heavily since his teens. The doctors are tasked with maintaining his health, preventing diabetes and cardiovascular problems, while his people receive a very low level of health care. A damning remote report by Amnesty International has revealed that extreme decline of the North Korean healthcare system, horrifying condition of North Korean healthcare, killing thousands of people in the country, means that the life for people in North Korea is in a stark contrast to that they are well-protected leader. In fact, this is the case of from birth, and the country has a very high infant mortality rate of 25 deaths per 1,000 births according to CI World Factbook. Next, Kim owns a custom design yacht. Most people will only ever dream of owning a yacht, but Kim Jong-un is the proud owner of 200-foot yacht, which is valued at cool $8 million. He smokes designer cigarettes. When you have got billions, it's not likely that you will be found at your local store asking for the cigarettes from behind the counter. And that's the case with Kim Jong-un, who has been known to space out French UV Saint Laurent cigarette, which sells for $44 means 3,300 per pack, and accompanying leather case cost $165 means 12,000 Indian rupees. The vast majority of the North Korean population are banned from making international calls. Despite the fact that the country has 94% mobile phone coverage, all calls are strictly vetted by authorities, and those wishing to call loved ones outside the country opt to travel to the border and use smuggled in Chinese mobile phones, according to Amnesty International report. North Koreans are also stopped from accessing the World Wide Web. North Koreans have access to Kyungbyung, a domestic internet that also allows emails. No one is allowed to access the internet as we know it, meaning that their access to information and the outside world is very narrow. Next, Kim plunged money into 35 million Sky Resort. Although the development of this 35 million Maesikyung Sky Resort is supposedly to build up North Korea's tourism industry, the fact that Kim is the big fan of the sports is certainly likely to be the contributing factor. But it is kept open at the expense of child labor. While it might be seems like a fun and games for Kim, a report found that thousands of men, women and children are working in blizzard conditions using pickaxes and makeshift shovels to keep the Sky Resort open. The report claimed that the children as young as 10 to 12 years to carry the backbreaking work every day. Next, Kim has 17 palaces to choose from. There is not one definitive answer to the question, where does Kim Jong-un live? That's because he has a staggering 17 palaces scattering throughout the state to choose from, and even his own private island, in which all luxury facilities are always available. Where he lives is only known to his few trusted officers and security guards. But the rest of the population lives in rundown, no fence housing. Most North Korean makes do with poorly maintained houses or tenement apartments blocked with very little in the way of creature comfort or basic utilities such as central heating or running water. Many people have to collect firewood in order to cook or heat their homes and fetch water from public wells or pump house. Also, most North Koreans have little or zero access to motorized means of transport. Most of the people use bicycle or ox or horse-drawn carts to get around or transport the goods. Now think how much you are lucky that you are living not in the hell of North Korea. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.